Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a text to handwriting font image and PDF converter using a jsPDF and HTML to Canvas library. So this is a single static application which directly runs in the browser, so which lets you convert your text into a PDF and image. So whatever text that you write here, so it will convert this into image and PDF. So once you click the button, automatically it will take the screenshot and convert this to an image. You can even convert this to a PDF file as well. So everything will be exported. So if you're looking forward for purchasing the source code, I have given the link in the description. You can even click download all image to PDF as well. So everything will be exported to PDF here. So you can edit this text here. You can just see. So it will convert your text into handwriting font. You can change the font here accordingly in different languages as well. And here you can even choose your own handwriting font as well. So I've deployed this before purchasing it. You can actually try out this tool. So I think I've deployed this on my website. Check out the full description link here. So here you can actually try out. The link is given in the description. So just as you write this, so you can adjust the color of the text, red, blue. You can also adjust the size as well. Can put a scanner here, resolution, everything you can customize here. You can click on generate image, it will generate the image for you. So this is actually the interface, text to handwriting font image and PDF editor. And for building this we are using JSPDF, which is a PDF processing library in JavaScript, and also HTML2Canvas, which allows you to take screenshots with JavaScript. So if you're interested in this, guys, the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code, and it's entirely built in. And if I show you the source code here, yeah, so everything will be customizable. So your CSS code, JavaScript code. So it's a single index.html file.